Create a pre-launch sales funnel for your Udemy course. Before you officially launch your course on Udemy, we recommend that you set up a sales funnel and build an initial audience and potential pool of customers. Your aim with your funnel is to drive potential customers to your Udemy landing page after you have officially launched your course. Here's what we recommend that you do. Build an email list. Use an autoresponder service such as aweber.com to create an email list of potential customers for your course. You can create a landing page to offer an incentive for visitors to join your list. Then, you can send emails to them with tips and remind them about your course. Have a web presence. If you don't have a website or blog, then you need to create one. You want to use this to build your personal brand and include links to your course and your email sign-up page. Get on YouTube. Set up a YouTube channel and create a few quick tutorials on your subject. You could also upload part of your lessons on your YouTube channel. Add a link in the description to your Udemy course so that people can get the whole story. Create a Facebook page. Set up a Facebook page around your subject and add posts about it. Join Facebook groups. Join related groups on Facebook and interact with other members. Connect with bloggers. Reach out to bloggers in your niche for sharing a free version of your course with their readers. You can also set up a mini course, more on this later, and ask bloggers to share this. Use other social media channels. Set up a Quora account and answer questions. Set up accounts on Reddit, Pinterest, Instagram, wherever your audience hangs out, and make posts and interact with others to build a following. Use free coupons. Set up and send out free coupons for your course to your audience. Always set an expiry date of a couple of days so that it prompts people to take action fast. The reason that you want to do this is that you will get fast course enrollments and reviews. This will help to get your course onto the Udemy homepage. Create a free mini course. Many successful Udemy instructors have used this tactic. Here you will make 3 to 5 short lessons about your subject and then use it to gain email subscribers by sharing it on your website, social media, with other bloggers, etc. In your email sequence, you want to offer a free or discounted coupon to enroll in your Udemy course. Provide your email subscribers with some value as well in your emails. You can also offer people a bonus lesson in exchange for a discounted coupon for your Udemy course. Time now to launch and promote.